yung leadership influence. Hindi yung leadership responsibility, ha? Yung leadership influence lasts even when you're not around. Meaning, even when you're absent, even when you're on a leave, your leadership influence, hindi yung leadership responsibility, ha? Kapag ka ikaw ay absent at tinatawagan ka ng mga tao mo para magdesisyon, you're failing on leadership. Pagka umuwi ka na at hindi alam ng mga tao ang gagawin, you need to work on becoming a better leader because leadership is about empowerment. Okay? So, work-life balance, ha? Oo, kasi pagka hindi mentally and emotionally healthy ang leader, guess what kind of decisions we're going to make? Don't be proud kung tinatawagan ka ng mga tao, especially on decisions that they can make themselves. You're failing. Pagkat ginagawa ng mga tao yun, kailangan mong tanungin yung sarili mo, saan ako nagkamali? Right? The goal is for them to not do that. The goal is for them to know what to do when you are absent. Kasi kahapon, sabi ko, kapag ka manager ka lang at hindi ka leader, pag wala ka, walang manager. Basically, walang police. Di ba? Kasi ang hinahabol mo lang, compliance. But if you have leadership influence, when you are inspiring as a leader, your people care about your principles as a leader, and then when you empower them, they feel empowered. Bakit kaya ginagawa ng mga tao na tawagan yung leader nila or yung boss nila to make a decision on things that they can decide on themselves? Because they don't want to be accountable. Ito ang problema kapag mahilig ka sumagot sa quiz bee. Boss, anong gagawin ko dito? Simple lang yan, ganito gawin mo. Hindi mo naintindihan yung buong kwento. Nag-decide ka. Mali ang decision mo. Pinagsabihan mo yung tao mo. Ba't mo ginawa yan? Boss, di ba sabi mo? Patay. Right? So, you don't want to do that. Need to empower people. Train them so that they can make the decision that aligns with your values, that aligns with your standards.